Hi, I'm Ron.
Hi, I'm Michelle, and we're glad you joined us today.
We are MRI Reactions, where we look below the surface and go deeper into the spiritual side of a Christian song.
Hit the like and subscribe button and become part of our family. And mention this channel to your family and friends. It would help us grow. And hi, family. Glad you came.
Please leave comments and suggestions. Michelle, what is the song of the day?
Won't Start Now by Seth Schluter.
All right, let's listen.
I've never seen the morning, the sun forgot to rise. In every single detail, you're faithful every time. I've never lived a moment that you weren't by my side. Cause you've never made a promise, turned around and changed your mind. You've never left.
That means God's not wishy-washy.
God is faithful.
Yeah, not wishy-washy. He doesn't change his mind or change his opinion or change his word or anything.
Me in the cold, never hurt me or let me go. You never have before, and you won't start now. You.
So he's not only acknowledging that God's been faithful, but that he will continue to be faithful.
Right.
And he's trusting in that faithfulness.
One word we could use for God is consistent. Where do you find that in the world?
Not very much at all.
No.
Won't start now. I know I won't be on my own. Whatever comes, you've never let me walk alone. Not even once, and you won't start now. I'll never be abandoned in the dead of night. I'll never have to worry if I'll be alright. I'll never have to wonder if I'm on your mind. I'll never see a breakthrough come that isn't right on time. You've never left me in the cold, never hurt me or let me go. You never have before, and you won't start now. You won't start now. I know I won't be on my own. Whatever comes, you've never let me walk alone. Not even once, and you won't start now. No.
And you said the one word is consistent, but it's consistent in loving us.
Mm-hmm.
Because you can be consistently against something too, but he's consistently for us.
Consistently for us, consistently loving us, consistently faithful, consistently
In provision, in
working for our best.
protection, yep.
Yeah.
You're not gonna walk away. You're gonna be there for me every night and day. You'll be my shelter. You will be my hiding place. And I know you're never gonna let me down, down, down. And you won't start now. You won't start now. I know I won't be on my own. Whatever comes, you've never let me walk alone. Not even once, and you won't start now. No, you've never let me down. I know I won't be on my own. Whatever comes, you've never let me walk alone. Not even once, and you won't start now. You won't start now.
You know what I like about this song? There's not one word about being a defeated person in this song. The whole song is about how I'm in good shape because God is faithful to me.
Right.
There's no doubt. There's no I'm suffering and nothing like that. Just straight out, God, I'm good because you are taking care of me.
Right.
And you are faithful.
And you are consistent, and I can trust that consistency.
Yep.
Man, that gives you hope. That builds your faith. That lets you know that you're loved.
It also shows that this is a person who's been walking with God for a while because God has shown that faithfulness through time. So now he's depending on it.
Right. As we have become
Yes.
over the years. And it's our prayer that you will also experience all that consistency and all that faithfulness. Because he loves you too.
Right?
Sure does. Well, and we love you. And we thank you for joining us.
Oh, and remember, a praise song a day keeps the enemy away. Give somebody a hug.
Let's fill up with this amazing Jesus who we can count on. Let's go out and touch our world. God bless you.
Bye.
Bye.